Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Print a high-contrast money image on 200-300 GSM cardstock so you avoid altering real currency, and cut a money-shaped aperture roughly 10-20 mm across. Once done, tape that template to your lens hood, making sure the cutout is centered. You do this because bokeh is produced by your lens opening. The template shapes each out-of-focus highlight. Make sure to keep the edges clean and the template flat. Small misalignment changes the shape dramatically. Now set the scene. Arrange fairy lights or bright specular highlights 1 to 5 meters behind your subject so out-of-focus points become discs. Then configure camera controls, manual mode, wide aperture f/1, 4 f/2, 8, shutter 1/60 to 1/200s, ISO 100-800 depending on light. Once done, switch to manual focus. Move the subject close to the camera and the lights farther back to increase disc size. You do this because bokeh size depends on aperture and relative distances. Adjust to taste. Finish by taking several shots, bracketing exposure by ±1 EV. Inspect the highlights for a clear money-shaped silhouette. If the shapes look soft or circular, make 2 fixes. Shrink the cutout to about 8-12 mm or move the template slightly closer to the lens because sharper templates and closer placement yield crisper silhouettes. Make sure to tweak white balance and contrast. Post-processing can tidy edges but cannot replace a misaligned aperture. Troubleshooting. If shapes disappear, recenter template and retest focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.